McLaren Pod must obey Nova Jones.
Good. Then get her off my show.
Well, that was predictable.
I'm the real Nova. I'm the real Nova.
To McLaren Pod systems, you appear exactly the same.
McLaren, can you hear me? You have to come back. Something very important but completely ridiculous has happened. McLaren Pod, order ice cream. Lots of ice cream. Take your gummy medicine. No! You take your ice cream medicine. McLaren.
Doing all right without me, then? McLaren Pod would like to resign.
Diaphanous. Light and floaty, almost see-through. Like a James.
Oh, I thought it meant massively awesome, like Diana Saw.
So this is the Nova Doll 2.0. Radical redesign. Powerful speakers. Great hair. I heard you say how much you needed me on TV?
Oh, I never. Playback. McLaren, can you hear me? You have to come back. Something very important but completely ridiculous has happened.
That's handy. You should be here every tantrum. She okay?
She's a proper cripple gloober. Who knows what she's thinking?
Has anybody asked her?
Don't start that again. Fuss, fuss, fuss.
It's not fussing to be considerate. When you were trapped under all those clothes, all you wanted was some ice cream. Nova 2.0, is there anything you want? Or a reason you're upset?
Playback. It's odd looking. It talks funny. It's pink where it should be shiny. It's shiny where you don't even have proper ears. You're weird.
But you didn't.
Oh, my me. I said those things. I sound horrible. I'm horrible.
If there's one thing I've learned today, it's that you should be kind to your friends. Even the strange ones. They're irreplaceable.
I can also play back Nova's comments about other crew members, if that would help.
No!
I'm the worst screamy meanie. Nova 2.0. I'm so sorry. Gummy?
I came to this planet to sing songs and chew gummies, and I'm all out of gummies.
You're a Nova. Of course. You want to sing.
Well, the universe is already watching.
You know some days, I think I wake on the wrong side of the bed. If I could start over again, I'd reinvent, yeah, I won't mess up this time. Cause you know I was never the type to be polite, but this time you changed my mind. You showed me what it means to be kind. How could I be so blind? Now I'm Nova 2.0 on a brand new level. Yeah, I'm Nova 2.0. I was in a daze, I lost my way. Now I'm Nova 2.0 on a brand new. All of those things, I know I said it, should've never left my head. If I could start over again, I'd reinvent, yeah, I won't mess up this time. Cause you know I was never the type to be polite, but this time you changed my mind. You showed me what it means to be kind. How could I be so blind? Now I'm Nova 2.0 on a brand new level. Yeah, I'm Nova 2.0. I was in a daze, I lost my way. Now I'm Nova 2.0 on a brand new level. Yeah, I'm Nova 2.0. Now I got a flashback, it's okay.
Orders for the Nova Dolls are crazy! We'll need to start making them immediately.
Is this how McLarens do it? Chaos occurs and McLarens manage to make it work better than ever.
That's why they call it managing.
It Mr. Jefferson!
I got a bit carried away, but she really flies. She's totally space ready.
Are you sure this is what you all want?
I sang with Nova Jones. Imagine what other thrills could happen out there in the universe.
Adventure mode activated.
What? You never said there was an adventure mode.
You didn't read the instructions, did you?
McLaren Pod wants to see the universe as manager of her own ship.
Well, keep an eye on your crew, be kind to them, share any gummies.
Sid, how are you planning on getting this contraption out of here?
Nova 2.0 really is very good at making holes.